Deep inside an untouched jungle, far from human civilization, there exists a creature that challenges everything we know about biology.
Capturing such a creature is impossible for normal humans.
That is why a specialized rescue unit was created.
The facility stands 100 feet tall. Its walls are nearly 1,000 feet thick.
Inside, Hispanic female scientists prepare for a historic moment. This is the first full...
Deep inside an untouched jungle, far from human civilization, there exists one single creature. But progress always raises a question. Do humans have the right to use another living being this way? The Anaconda remains alive.
Move faster, it's shifting its weight.
Table team, pull tight on my mark.
Watch out, the head is turning.
Takers. The Anaconda is scanned from head to tail. Every organ, every muscle, every cell. Blood samples reveal...
Extraction begins carefully. The Anaconda is not harmed. Only renewable biological material is collected.
That is why a specialized rescue unit was created.
Every member of this team stands 40 feet tall. Enhanced strength, reinforced armor, one purpose.
Their mission is simple in words and nearly impossible in reality.
One mistake and the mission ends instantly.
Moving a 200-foot anaconda creature requires extreme engineering.
Damage report now. Reroute auxiliary power to the life support. Anomaly detected in Sector 4.
Acknowledged.